This girl records herself growing up every birthday because she wants to see how much she changes every year. But as she grew up, it looked like she didn't even age a day.
It's my birthday. I'm 11. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-1.
It's my birthday. I'm 12. The big 1-2.
It's my birthday. I'm 13. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-3. It's my birthday. I'm 14. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-4. It's my birthday. I'm 15. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-5. It's my birthday. I'm 16. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-6. It's my birthday. I'm 17. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-7. It's my birthday. I'm 18. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-8. It's my birthday. I'm 19. Yeah, that's right. The big 1-9. It's my birthday. I'm 20. Yeah, that's right. The big 2-0.